Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? If you're new to the channel, thanks for subscribing. If you're still here, I appreciate your support. With that said, check this out. Behind me is a beast. I've always loved the sound of the F-250 power, 6.7 liter Powerstrokes. This one is a 2012 Ford F-250 6.7 liter Powerstroke Lariat FX4. Beautiful truck, absolutely beautiful. It's like a gorgeous graphite gray. As you seen in the beginning of the video, it sounds absolutely beast. It's got a suspension lift kit system on it, and it's rolling on a set of Toyos. These are 30, let's check these big bad boys out. Ready? Look at this. These are 37 1350 20s. For you guys are wondering, 37 first measurement is all is height and metric and standard. So 37 is the height from top to bottom right here. Height. 1350, second number, is 1350 wide. 20 is the diameter of the rim in inches that fills the gap of the tire. A nice build, doesn't rub, full turn right, full turn left, no trimming required. I'm 6 foot tall and I stand about here on the truck. My Anthony gauge, how you doing, buddy? Hope you're doing well. It's got a lot of goodies on it. Runs and drives great. Like I said, all maintenance has been done. The truck is from Texas. I want to say Dallas, Texas. As you can see in the frame, it's absolutely beautiful. No rust at all whatsoever. And it's absolutely beautiful. Clean frame. Body and all. Filters are good. Rolling on a set of Bilstein shocks. There's the Bilsteins for you. 5-inch turbo back exhaust system, tuned. I'll get to that in just a second. Your Toyos are probably all four corners. I would say a strong, probably 80%, 85% tread. Plenty of tread, and these are monstrous, aggressive looking tires. That's what you need on a truck like this. Without further more, cosmetically, as far as like lights and stuff, you got a small little light bar. This is probably 24-inch light bar right here. Nothing too crazy. You got the nice smoked out turn signals incorporated into the mirrors, keypad. You got a fifth wheel or a gooseneck right here. Attachment, you can flip the ball upside down. I'm sorry, gooseneck. Flip the ball upside down under the bed. The bed cover's right there, so it's under the bed. Pop it inside out, you got your rain guards on all four corners. Going fast because I'm trying to keep the video short and sweet. 154,534 maintained miles. And here's the tuner. Hopefully my Bluetooth doesn't kick on. Double ding Kenwood CD player. Just got a brand new amp installed. This is an older unit. It does not work. I'll be straight up with you, but it's probably just not connected or not wired. I don't know. I'm not a specialty in it. It's selling as it is, the way it is right here with this. I don't have a care to fix it because not many people really will use those except if you have kids, but so here's the tuner, okay? H&S Performance, Mini Maxx, and it's got all tunes here. Your four different tunes right there: street, stock, tow, street, and performance. You can click between the levels right there: performance, street, and so on and so forth. So it tells you all your gauges, your RPM, your speed, your coolant temperature, your throttle. You can configure it and change it up however you want. Cooled seats, heated seats, auxiliary here for your light bar if you want to do it. I think the light bar was originally wired down here, right there, that button. So we had to disconnect it for inspection purposes or block it off, which we did. Sunroof. I love how the F-250s have the black headliner. No stains and dirt on it. Let's check out the power plant so you guys can see it and show you what to work with. Power folding mirrors. Just a really tough looking truck. The big iconic grille of the Ford F-250s. That's my son right there. Big shout out to my baby. I love you, Ford. Your daddy's best friend. And I love the logo right here. For those of you who don't know, I named my son Ford. That's how much I love my Fords. Here's the engine. You get all the block off goodies and all your whatnots and hoo-has. Brand new batteries on each side. Everything is pretty good, really. I mean, it runs and drives great. It's tall, so I can't really reach it. There we go. Boom. So if you guys have any questions about this truck, stay tuned to the end of the video too, so I'll show you how it drives. Oh, let me show you the amp real quick. Hold on. It's on this side. Let's rush because we're getting 5 minutes right now into the video. You guys' attention span is worse than mine. It's like, oh, Mark's getting a 5-minute video. Time to quit. There's your brand new amp installed with your speakers. You can hook up subs to wherever you want and do what you guys want. Do what you guys want on how you want to configure your audio. So there you have it. So boom, and let's check out backup camera right there. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, give me a call, 540-898-3025, or visit www.superiorwholesale.org. Picture will be right in the link after this video and after this picture coming up. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Check it out. Give us a ring. Subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to my YouTube. Pass it along. That'd be fantastic and greatly appreciated. See you guys later. Hope you're doing well.